If you're struggling to fall asleep, try this. Always sleep on your right side. Why? Because our heart is on the left side and the liver is on the right side. Most people either have fatty liver or their liver isn't functioning properly. When you sleep on your left side, your liver can press against your heart, putting pressure on it, which can make breathing difficult. However, when you sleep on your right side, your heart rests on top of the liver, making it a better position for easy breathing and better sleep. Regulate your breathing. When you're stressed or your body is tense, you tend to breathe rapidly. You might have noticed that under stress, your inhalation is longer, while your exhalation is shorter. This improper breathing pattern prevents relaxation and makes it harder to sleep. To fix this, focus on balanced breathing. Inhale slowly for about 4 to 5 seconds and exhale at the same pace. Continue this practice and notice how your body relaxes, leading to better sleep. A simple way to do this is to count slowly in your mind while inhaling, 1, 2, 3, 4, and do the same while exhaling. The goal is to take slow, deep breaths, helping your body relax and improving sleep quality. If you suffer from sleep apnea, where breathing temporarily stops during sleep, this breathing exercise can help. Go to bed by 10 p.m. Our body follows a natural circadian rhythm which regulates sleep and wake cycles. This rhythm controls the release of hormones and signals the body when to sleep. Around 10 to 10:30 p.m., a sleep wave occurs, lasting for a short time. If you are in bed during this time, you can catch this wave and fall asleep easily. However, if you delay sleep until 11:30 or midnight, you miss this wave and must wait another 60 to 90 minutes for the next one. You might have noticed feeling sleepy around 9:30 or 10 p.m., but if you ignore it, your sleepiness fades away. This is your body's natural signal to sleep, and missing it makes falling asleep harder. Monitor your pulse rate. When you lie in bed with your head on the pillow and notice a strong heartbeat, it could be a sign of potassium deficiency. Symptoms of low potassium include an increased pulse rate and a pounding heart. A healthy resting heart rate should be between 60 to 70 beats per minute when sitting or lying down. However, if your pulse rate is over 70 or even 80, it's not normal. Low potassium forces the heart to work harder, preventing the body from relaxing, which leads to sleep problems. To increase potassium, add more vegetables, especially leafy greens, to your diet. The more vegetables you eat, the more potassium your body gets, helping to regulate your pulse rate and improve sleep. Two major causes of potassium deficiency are chronic stress and high sugar intake. Long-term stress depletes potassium levels because the body needs more minerals, including potassium, to handle stress. The more prolonged the stress, the more potassium is lost. Excess sugar intake also reduces potassium levels, increasing resting heart rate and stress while negatively impacting sleep. The solution is to manage stress through breathing exercises, physical activities like walking or working out, and reducing sugar intake, which will not only restore potassium levels, but also improve overall health. Massage helps relax the body and improves sleep quality. Using a good massage gun at home can be beneficial. Massage key areas like the back of the neck, shoulders, and lower back where the adrenal glands are located. These areas have acupressure points that, when massaged, help the body shift into a relaxed state, reducing stress and promoting deep, peaceful sleep. This is a simple DIY method for relaxation. If you're married, you can ask your partner for help, or if you have a helper at home, they can assist. Otherwise, you can do it yourself. These were some helpful tips. I hope this information benefits you. See you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.